last time and I told her, oh business, yeah. None of you niggas forget it, yeah.
Welcome back, YouTube, man. It's your boy Mpumi and Co. So I'm looking for entries, right, guys? So this is the second quarter. I haven't been trading in a while, bro. We've been literally looking at the market fall down. So literally in my last previous market breakdown, I stated that if prices break here, we're gonna look for market to push back. Then we'll be looking for a high probability entries back into this daily trend. The red trend is the daily trend, the green trend is the 4-hour trend, right? So the market has broken out and we've hit a key level right here. We've hit a key level. So guys, I'm gonna just be quick because I also have to go to the gym right now. So right now I'm seeing potential entries, right? So if the market, let me just remove this. If the market pushes back, as you can see, the market has been playing within this trend, right? It's been playing within this trend. So if the market pushes back, gives me those retests on this trend, I'll be looking for the market to break back. And once it breaks back, I'll be looking for entries going to the top side, right? Going to the top side. So this will be a very good move. But the problem with this, guys, as you can see, prices are pretty much expensive. Prices are expensive, guys. Entering here, prices are expensive. It's NFP. So we might expect the market to do exactly that. Or if the market continues going down, we're just going to wait out to see if America will be going into a recession. Right, we want to see if the market will go into a recession. As you can see, if the market breaks this level, then it might be a slow economy for the US, right? Plus with all the tariffs Donald Trump is throwing out, right? So basically that's the setup. But as you can see, prices are very expensive right here. So it means that you can make a lot of money with a very small move, but your stop loss also is going to be very tight if you're using a fixed stop loss, right? If your stop loss is around about 0.54%, then as you can see, if it's a very tight stop loss, I always target a 2% move. So my target would be roughly here. Then yes, we can just extend this trend. Then we can expect the market to actually complete this movement here. And if it's still gonna go down, the market will bounce back here and continue going down, right? Continue going down, right? So that's basically the game plan for US30. Let's look at gold. So gold has been beautiful. The last setup for gold played out, which was this setup, which I also shared, right? So right now, what I would wait for gold is that if I'm looking for an entry, right? Because right now we want to look for setups. We don't want to predict everything like, okay, the market from here is going to do what. So now what we're doing right here is that the market has broken out of our daily, which is red, right? And it also hit the resistance of the 4-hour trend, which is this one right here, right? So expecting the market to first push back down here. And if it does push back down here, we'll wait for the market to break out of this daily trend retest. Then we'll be looking for high probability entries going up. If the market does not play in that manner, I will not be entertaining trades off of it, right? I won't be entertaining any trades, right? Because the market can also continue going down, right? But that's literally the game plan. We're trading with the market. So this is a nice resistance area. So if the market pushes down, we'll want tests on this support over here. It respected here. And once it gives us those tests, we'll be looking for entries. So let me just fix up this thing to see if prices are reasonable for gold. Prices are not really bad for gold, but it's slightly expensive in a way, slightly expensive, right? So this will be the setup for gold, right? So basically that's the setup for gold. Let's look at NAS 100, guys. So guys, I'm just doing this really quickly because like I said, I need to go to the gym. Also, NAS 100 market broke out of the daily, right? Initially, we anticipated the market was gonna bounce back here, but it broke out. Could be influenced by indecisions in the market that are caused by the tariffs that Donald Trump is issuing out, right? So the market is quite unsure or maybe hesitant. So that's why we're seeing a free fall, right? So literally, guys, the bear jumps out the window and the bull climbs up the stairs. So when the market crashes, it goes down really fast, and when the market goes up, it goes down really slow. So that's why you're saying the bear jumps out the window and the bear climbs up the stairs, right? So as you can see, same scenario for NAS 100. If market respects this trend, right, it's respected here. If it hits this trend right here, I'll wait for the market to break above here, right, retest, and I will anticipate the market to break this trend, right? I'm anticipating for the market to break this trend and push. Oh no, you see, I was on like doing this with the phone, but it's phone is more portable. So we'll be looking for entries right here. So we'll be expecting the market to break. If it does break this trend, right, if it breaks, retests, and we're going for those up shots to the upside, right? And obviously our stop loss won't be that massive, right? I'm just trying to move really quickly. Like, prices are very expensive. Even for NAS 100 is even more expensive than US30, guys. Like, this is crazy. If you got and if you are going to entertain this, then yeah, man, this is basically it. And S&P 500, let's look at S&P 500. Wow, S&P 500 is already there. So once S&P 500, if market respects this trend, we'll look for entries back, retest, and going up. So that's where the high probability entries are. If it continues going down, then we'll just wait to see where we can get more opportunities, right? Because I'm still not yet in my selling area zone. Because once it goes into my selling zone, when I'm actually confident that the market is going to sell, as you can see also here, we're having some form of resist support. So that's why I'm like, if the market respects, we're going up with it. If it breaks, we're gonna wait. So once the market breaks up a certain point where I feel like, okay, now we're heading for a recession or a slow economy in the US, that's when I'll be hammering those sells. Because why? Nobody's buying in a slow economy. People are saving money. So we're using psychology and technical analysis. So until next time, guys, it's your boy Mpumi and Code Funds and Gelo, where investing means more.